Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to permanently delete fonts on Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to the bottom side right here, come to your start bar button, simply right click on it, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to settings, just like so. This is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to personalization, just like so. Click on that. It's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to fonts right here. Click on fonts. So it takes you to all the fonts you have on your Windows PC. Now, for you to delete any of the fonts right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down and take a look at the fonts you would like to simply delete from your Windows PC. Okay, let's for instance, I want to get rid of this particular font here. I want to delete this font. And for me to delete this font permanently, what I need to do is to simply click on the font. And after you click on the font, it takes me to this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on uninstall right here. And this is going to pop up. Uninstall this font family permanently. Simply click on uninstall. And in a few seconds, the font is going to be uninstalled permanently from your Windows PC. By the time I go back to the home screen or my font section, so if I simply scroll down all the way to where I select the font, you'll notice that the font is no longer here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply permanently delete fonts on Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Windows laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.